Hey you guys, it's Rosie and I'm back with another video. I know it's been a while. I've been a little MIA, I had a lot of life events happening, but I'm back, so that's what's up, I'm back. Everybody has life problems and things that go on, but I'm back. Um, I'm gonna try to stay consistent, at least one video a week. I got some new little goodies on the way, some good reviews, um, possibly some try-on hauls and stuff. But this video is about an unboxing video. I'm sorry, an unboxing video. I just ordered some hair for my birthday, so this is my birthday hair. So let's get into the video and see, what's up. Okay? All right, you guys. So this is what the hair came in. I'm not gonna lie, I did open the package, just a little sneak peek and stuff. So I ordered this hair from Wiggins Hair. I ordered. Let me see. I ordered four bundles of 613 hair, and also a frontal and a closure. I will be making a wig with this hair. So yeah. So it came in a big bag.
And a little bag closure. I believe this is the frontal closure in the bundle. They sent some little wig caps, which is very nice and useful.
So yeah, I did purchase this hair with my own money. I was not sent this hair. I'm not sponsored. None of that. I thought I would make this video because, I went on YouTube. Like, if you're like me, you YouTube everything. You want to see reviews. You want to see who has the best hair or the best products. I literally use YouTube for everything, just like another Google. And I did look for 613 hair on YouTube, and like I seen some videos, but they were like older videos, so it's like hard for me to go by to actually know who has the good hair right now, or the good 613 hair. So shout out to Glamazon Tay, because she actually ordered from, well, she actually received hair from Wiggins Hair. It might have been a while ago, but I just took her review for it, and yeah, I ordered it. So let's get into this and see what it's looking like, honey. All right, so this is the frontal, taking it out. It is Brazilian body wave. So this is what it's looking like, sis. It's pretty soft. It has a little stench to it, but usually after you wash it and stuff, it'll be good. It's pretty big, pretty wide. It does come with baby hairs already. This is what the lace is looking like underneath. So there are some knots that need to be dealt with. But this is what it's looking like. It's nice. Like I said, it's pretty wide and stuff. I got like one piece of hair out of that. This frontal is a 20-inch frontal. I feel like it could have been a little thicker, but overall, it's pretty nice. It's some shedding, but I mean, it's 613 hair, so of course you're gonna get some shedding. It's not gonna be like no shedding at all because how processed it is. And again, this is Brazilian body wave hair. Yeah. All right, sis. So on to the next. We're gonna show you this closure. And just a little heads up, you guys, I'm gonna do some editing, but I'm not gonna do much editing because I want y'all to see this raw, not no, edited stuff. But I am gonna do some editing. I'm not the best at editing yet, but I just want you to see the real spill, the tea. I'm probably gonna mess up some, but hey, I'm human, so why not see the mess ups as well? Let you get to know me, me get to know you. We interact with each other. Just saying. So this closure is, I believe it's the 18-inch. So like I said, I'm making a wig with this. I wasn't sure if I wanted to do a closure or a frontal because for my birthday I want to be slayed. And me personally, I love closures over frontals. But the frontals are more versatile, but I just don't really like the upkeep of them. The closures, they're a little bit less upkeep. with a little bit same of the versatility, just not as much. So this is what the closure is looking like. It's kind of small. You don't have a lot of room, but it's not bad. It does come with baby hairs. I mean, I'm loving this closure though, for real. Like, it's looking nice, sis. Like, you see this? Ow. Yeah, that's looking real nice. And this is an 18-inch. The closure was a 20-inch. No. The closure does seem a little bit thicker. But that's just my opinion, you know. It might not, you know. And out of me running my fingers through it, I'm not getting no shedding on this one. So
let's get into the bundle. So I got two 24s. 24 inches. They're doing whatever they want to do. I got a 22-inch and a 20-inch. Let's get into the longest to the shortest. Just got my hat everywhere.
alright, honey, so this is what the 24 inches is looking like. Long, sis. Especially for the short folk, it's gonna be really long. The weft looking pretty good, pretty thick. Not so many flyaways. It's looking pretty nice. Curl is really nice. I got like one little small piece of hair out of that pass through. Let's see. Yep, just one pass. One piece of hair through that pass, sorry. This is looking real nice, sis. I might be pleased with this. It's pretty thick at the top. It's pretty consistent. I will say it is pretty consistent. I wish the ends were possibly a little bit thicker. But, you know, with longer bundles and then plus the 613 hair is processed. It has been processed. So, you know, you can't really judge 613 hair too much because how processed it is. And then when you go longer and longer, it's like, yes, you're not gonna get too much. But so far I'm pleased with this. Like I said, it's pretty thick, it's pretty consistent all the way through. Like I said, I'm getting some shedding, but that's gonna be normal because it's processed hair. The shipping, I was supposed to tell you this in the beginning, but
the shipping was pretty quick. I think the normal shipping, it says 5 to 7 days, but usually it gets here sooner. With it being 613 hair, it did take about a week maybe, only because, you know, they have to customize it, I guess. That's what I was told. They had to customize it. So, I mean, I wasn't really pressed about it because I still got like a whole nother month. But, you know, I was hyped when the hair came in, so it is what it is, you know.
this is the other, I believe this is the other 24 inch. Yeah, this is the other 24 inch. Same, you know, looks thick, nice and thick, you know. I will say this one does feel a bit different than the other 24 inch bundle. I get one piece of hair when I run through it. The curl is beautiful. This bundle does feel a little bit thinner than the other bundle. I'm just being real and raw, honey. Yeah, it does feel a little bit thinner than the other one. Like I said, that's just my opinion. This is just the first go with these. You know, this is my first time ordering from this company. And this is just an unboxing video. So once I make my wig and I wear it for about a week or two, I will come back and give y'all raw details, how I like the hair, how it held up. I was gonna order straight hair, but I went to a YouTube video, of course, and I seen somebody that ordered from them. It wasn't 613 hair, but it was a Brazilian body wave. I actually was gonna get some Peruvian hair, or I wanted some raw Indian or raw Cambodian hair, but I seen this curl on her and it was super long and it was to die for, and I was like, let me see if they got this in 613, and they did. So of course I bought it. It is versatile, so you know, if I wanted to wear it straight, all I have to do is blow it out and still press it, honey. But I think I'm gonna rock these curls for a minute because they are lovely. But back to this hair. Got me talking all sideways. This is the 22 inch, I believe. Yeah, this is the 22 inch. This is what it's looking like. It's alright. It's a little bit thinner, I feel. Yeah, it's a little bit thinner in my opinion. The consistency isn't great, but you know, like I said, you can't be too picky with 613 hair. It's not a lot of flyaways. It's some little, you know, I don't know if you can see them, but some little splits, and I don't really like that. But it's kind of thick at the beginning. I'm getting more shedding in this 22 inch than the 24 inches. But let me see. I'm not liking how, you know, how thin this is at the bottom. You see how thick it is at the top? It gets really thin at the bottom. I'm not liking that. So it's a good thing that I ordered 4 bundles. So I probably will be making it with all 4 bundles. Not saying that you can't make it with only 3, but I wanted to be extra. You know, it's my birthday. I'm trying to have super long hair, and I just want to slang it, girl, and just have some fun. Just slang it. Just slang it, you know. So on to our last bundle. This is the 20 inch. This is what it's looking like, sis. It's alright. The same thing I said for, sorry you guys, I got some music playing a little bit over here, so we can, you know, can't play it too loud because YouTube gonna play me. This one, like I said, it could have been a little bit better. The 20 and the 22 inch, I'm not completely pleased with. Let me just say that. I'm not completely pleased with it. But it's alright. Like I said, you know, it's good. The bundles don't really have a stench in it. Oh, what is this?
That was from the cardboard, y'all.
Okay. So yeah, it's thick at the top. Let's see how much shedding we get. Got a little bit of shedding. A little bit. I'm not liking these little splits on the side that's hanging out. And when it comes to, same thing with the 22 inch bundle, it's a little thin at the bottom, and I'm not liking that. But overall, so far, it's alright. I guess we'll just have to see how it goes once I make this wig, and you see what's up, sis. This curl is beautiful. I like the other curls better. This one looks a little, it looks the same, but when I plane it so much, it starts looking kind of crazy. But hopefully I don't have as much frizz at the bottom. See, it is a little frizzy and kind of stiff at the bottom, but you know, when you shake it, it moves. So like I said, overall, I feel like, you know, it'll do for the birthday, you know. I feel like it may be some good hair. Like I said, I'm gonna make a wig out of it, because you know, sis, you know, can't really get a sew in, and I really like my wigs better. I do make my own wigs. I just feel like it's more versatility. When I want to take it off and put it on, it's easier for me. So yeah, shipping wasn't bad. Processing the order wasn't bad. Placing the order on the website wasn't bad. There are coupon codes out, so if you don't want to spend as much, and also on their website you could sign up with them and you get points and things back, and they also have coupon codes on there like all the time. So for my 4 bundles and a closure in the frontal, I believe I paid, I think it came out to like 3 something maybe, and I think you have to pay shipping, but it isn't much. these hair details down in the description box below. If y'all want to see how I make my wig, I mean, I have a video posted already, but if y'all want to see how I make this wig, or the process, or like, you know, whatever y'all want to see, you know, just comment down below and let me know what y'all want to see. I am a new YouTuber, and thank you guys for subscribing to me and being loyal to me. Happy New Year's to everyone. And yeah, I hope to see y'all soon. There will be vlogs, more vlogs coming soon. I got some business stuff in the works, so make sure y'all stay tuned. Please subscribe to my channel, hit the little bell box, the bell button or whatever, so whenever I post or whatnot, y'all will see me, you know. Support your sister, okay? Support.
I will have a review up on this hair after my little birthday getaway, vacay, or whatnot. So y'all just stay tuned for that.
Thank you guys for watching. See y'all soon.